Gresham. Hit me up on Facebook. I Perry Gresham. Follow me on Twitter. I'll tell you on Facebook. Anyways, let's get to the rest of the video.
What up, what up? This is your boy Emmanuel, and follow me on Twitter at _coach and my little brother at all right now. Like today, this video I'm gonna tell you about how ratchet girls.
OMG, what did she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me some. Got it. Gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. What? Bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my little miss. Girl, what up, baby boy? And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit this up. I'm in the middle of the boat. No shoes, no. I had to get cute today. After I just started boots today, had to keep it look good to my baby boy. Just like that. He'll shoot today. Like, he new shoes today. Transport check is Tuesday. Got the track yesterday. Girl, did you lose it? Gonna be fit up. Move. It's the 15th. I get my food stamps. Got a brand new pistol. Brand new tax. Paid $95 for this week plus tax. Bouncing out when I slap my dog. Nowhere here this tank long. Thinking that you better than I am. Oh, well, you think you're wrong. Whatever. Still, my number. Boy, bye. What you? Hey girl, you look good. Tell her I want you did just a minute. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Alright. OMG, what did she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me phone. Take this picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too big. My name is Emo, but my girlfriend call me Kari. Drinking the party. Yes, I am the baddie. You can't have this boo-boo, sorry. Cause you can't this my future name. Mari got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hill smash my press on. Town, team dirt. We don't like them red bones. Does up in my pictures. New IV got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Okay. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Dad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Can. What you saying? He might as well spend it on me. You ain't got nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Come on. What's up with that? You ain't got no money. Oh, I'm so over her.
OMG, what did she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Yeah, she ratchet.
Give me the phone. Take this picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this thing on Twitter.
Oh, she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Think she look good with them leopard skin.
Where
you get leopard skin? Where you get leopard skin?
Please. You too hot for all of that.
Just what you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Hot on you. Oh my God. Boy, bye.